Aside to letter B, determine the following limits. Number 4 and 5. The limits is equal to what? X cubed minus 1 over x minus 1. So x cubed minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. So the limit is x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 parang x squared plus x plus 1 over x1. This is so limit x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 1 squared plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. So the limit is number 4. If closest to 1, x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 8. Number 5. Limit x closest to 2x minus 1 if x less than